This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Android phone. So I have my AirPods right here, Timothy's AirPod, and what I want to do is just swipe down from the top right. Now you might be able to find the Bluetooth button right here. You can just hold down on that and connect it there too, but I'm going to go to Settings, go to Connections, just go to where it says Bluetooth, hit Bluetooth here, make sure it's turned on. Then go to AirPods, open up the case, take a look, it looks like it's charging, and there's going to be a small button on the back. Just hold this down for 3 seconds. And this will put the AirPods in the Bluetooth pairing mode. 1, 2, 3. The light is blinking faster. Then we have to hit scan right here. Here's my AirPods. And they should be connected now. Let's go to it, connect, pair. And they are now connected for calls and audio. So just that simple. We can go to this now, go to settings. I can go to on pair. And on pair if I want to bring it to another device a little bit easier. So just check that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.